Imagine this. You step outside and are instantly transported to your own private sanctuary, a place where the elegance of modern design seamlessly blends with the raw beauty of nature. This is more than just an outdoor space. It's a harmonious retreat where sleek concrete, rustic brick, and textured stone come together to create an enchanting backdrop for tropical living. The scent of blooming flowers drifts through the air, while a gentle breeze carries the sounds of nature. At the center of it all, an outdoor kitchen and dining area designed to turn every meal into a celebration. Surrounded by lush greenery and bathed in warm, natural light, this is a space where everyday moments become unforgettable experiences. Whether you're sipping coffee at sunrise or enjoying a candlelit dinner under the stars, every corner of this oasis invites you to relax, connect, and celebrate life. Before we dive deeper, a warm welcome back to ArchiTechAI. For those of you joining us for the first time, we invite you to hit that subscribe button for more captivating insights into home design, outdoor living inspiration, and modern interiors. Our mission is to bring you design ideas that transform houses into homes, spaces where you can truly live, laugh, and create lasting memories. Let's take a closer look at what makes this space so extraordinary. In modern tropical design, every element plays a critical role in creating a harmonious atmosphere. The foundation starts with smooth concrete flooring, a sturdy, durable surface that stands up to the elements while providing a sleek, contemporary look. Complementing the concrete are brick and stone accents that add texture and visual depth, creating layers of interest throughout the courtyard. But the magic doesn't stop there. Wooden furniture introduces warmth and character, providing a seamless connection between indoor comfort and outdoor beauty. The wood's rich tones balance the cool, industrial feel of concrete and stone, making the entire space feel cozy and inviting. No modern tropical retreat is complete without a functional yet beautiful outdoor kitchen and dining space. This area is designed with both style and practicality in mind. Imagine sleek countertops that glisten under the tropical sun, providing ample space for meal preparation. State-of-the-art appliances ensure you have everything you need to create culinary masterpieces al fresco. From grilling fresh seafood to blending tropical smoothies, every cooking experience becomes a joy. Adjacent to the kitchen, a large wooden dining table sits beneath a pergola draped with climbing plants. The table is flanked by comfortable benches, inviting friends and family to gather for meals, laughter, and shared memories. The open design allows the sights and sounds of the surrounding landscape to enhance every dining experience, turning simple meals into unforgettable occasions. What truly transforms this outdoor kitchen and dining area into a tropical paradise is the lush, vibrant greenery that surrounds it. Vertical planters adorn the walls, bursting with colorful flowers and fragrant herbs. These living walls not only add a pop of color but also infuse the air with the sense of the tropics. A majestic tree trunk, weathered and full of character, serves as a natural focal point. Its rugged surface tells stories of time, adding a rustic charm that perfectly complements the modern design elements. Every plant, every leaf, and every blossom contributes to the tranquil atmosphere. The greenery softens the hard edges of the concrete and stone, making the space feel like a secluded garden tucked away from the rest of the world. Whether you're hosting a lively gathering or enjoying a moment of solitude, this space offers the perfect setting. As the sun sets, soft lighting begins to glow, casting a romantic ambience over the entire courtyard. Imagine gathering around a crackling fire pit, the night sky sparkling above. Laughter fills the air as stories are shared, creating memories that will last a lifetime. For quieter moments, a cozy lounge area awaits. Plush cushions and oversized throw pillows invite you to sink in and unwind. Here, you can lose yourself in a good book, meditate in the serenity of nature, or simply bask in the peaceful atmosphere. The design's seamless blend of natural elements and contemporary features allows you to escape the stresses of daily life and reconnect with what truly matters. Courtyards are more than just open spaces, they are sanctuaries of peace and tranquility. In tropical outdoor living, a courtyard serves as a secluded escape where you can relax and unwind. Imagine a cozy seating nook tucked beneath a canopy of trees, the dappled sunlight filtering through the leaves. Or picture a tranquil meditation garden, surrounded by lush vegetation, where the sounds of water and rustling leaves create a calming symphony. The key is to create a space that promotes serenity and balance. By incorporating elements like water features, shaded seating areas, and natural materials, you can design a courtyard that feels like a true escape, right in your own backyard. At the core of this tropical haven are materials that blend beauty with durability. Concrete provides a sleek, modern foundation. Its smooth surfaces gleam in the sunlight, reflecting the natural beauty of the surroundings. Brick accents add a rustic charm, their warm tones creating a sense of coziness and nostalgia. Used as pathway pavers or garden walls, brick infuses the space with old-world charm while maintaining a contemporary edge. Stone walls stand as the anchors of this outdoor oasis. Their rugged, weathered surfaces add depth and dimension, telling stories of time and transformation. Each stone is carefully chosen for its texture and color, contributing to the overall sense of harmony and balance. These materials don't just look good, they're built to last. Their natural resilience ensures that the space will remain beautiful and functional for years to come, aging gracefully and developing a patina that only adds to their charm. One of the greatest advantages of using natural materials like concrete, brick, and stone is their ability to withstand the elements. Unlike synthetic alternatives, these materials age beautifully. From the scorching sun to torrential tropical rains, they stand firm, maintaining their strength and elegance. Over time, they develop a rich patina, enhancing their visual appeal and adding to the story of your outdoor retreat. This durability means that your outdoor kitchen and dining area won't just be beautiful today, it will remain a stunning oasis for years to come. It's a space designed for living, for entertaining, and for making memories that will last a lifetime. As day turns to night, the true magic of this tropical retreat comes to life. Soft lighting illuminates the pathways, casting a warm glow over the lush foliage. The gentle flicker of candlelight and lanterns creates an atmosphere of intimacy and romance. The air cools slightly, carrying the subtle fragrance of tropical blooms. Gather around the fire pit, sharing stories and laughter under the starlit sky. Or retreat to the cozy lounge area, where plump cushions and oversized throw pillows offer the perfect spot to relax. Here, beneath the stars, every moment becomes more meaningful, whether it's a lively evening with friends or a quiet night of reflection. In the fast-paced rhythm of modern life, finding moments of tranquility can feel like an unattainable luxury. But with a modern tropical outdoor kitchen and dining area, serenity is just steps away. This space offers a place where you can escape the stresses of the world and immerse yourself in natural beauty and refined elegance. Whether you're hosting a lively barbecue, enjoying a romantic dinner, or simply seeking a quiet moment alone, this enchanting oasis is the perfect setting. It's a place where every meal is a celebration, every gathering is a memory in the making, and every moment is spent in harmony with the beauty of the world around you. So, why wait? Transform your outdoor space into a tropical paradise of your own and let the magic unfold.